Welcome to Logikland. Are you ready to create your next Amazon KDP bestseller in just a few clicks? Your journey to passive income starts right here on our incredibly intuitive creator dashboard. Look at this. With our exclusive mixed puzzles generator, you can offer your buyers the ultimate adventure by combining Sudoku, word searches, mazes, and crosswords all into one amazing high-value book. Let's dive into the wizard. Step 1 is simple. Set your book's foundation. You can instantly choose your target language, like French, and type in a catchy title for your brand new puzzle book. Targeting a global audience? No problem at all. Logikland supports multiple languages. With a simple drop-down, you can switch your entire book's content to English, Spanish, German, or Italian in seconds. Next, choose the perfect dimensions for your KDP interior. Whether you want a large 8.5 by 11 workbook or a compact 6 by 9 travel size, we give you the exact standard sizes you need. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Select exactly which games you want to feature. Check Sudoku, crosswords, word searches, and mazes to give your customers massive variety and unmatched value. Welcome to Step 3. Total customization. For Sudoku, you can perfectly balance your book by selecting exactly how many puzzles you want for each difficulty, and even choose if you want 1, 2, 4, or more puzzles on a single page. Moving down to crosswords, you are in complete control. Select multi-level difficulties and easily adjust the exact grid sizes, like 15 by 15 or 21 by 21, for a truly professional feel. For word searches, Logikland lets you customize everything from the grid dimensions to the exact number of words hidden inside. You can even set extreme levels to challenge your smartest readers. And for mazes, our smart algorithm lets you define the complexity, grid size, and minimum solution path for every single difficulty level. You are creating a unique masterpiece every single time. Step 4 gives you the power of a professional publisher. Decide if you want your puzzles grouped sequentially by type, or use our smart mixer to distribute them randomly. You can even drag and drop to set the exact order. Finally, Step 5 ensures your book is Amazon KDP ready. Set your safe margins, automatically include how-to-play instructions, and watch the app calculate your exact page count. Hit Generate and prepare to be amazed. Boom! Welcome to the powerful built-in Logikland editor. Your entire book is generated. From here, you can seamlessly style your cover page, change background colors, and adjust global text alignments instantly. Just look at these gorgeous, high-resolution Sudoku grids. They are perfectly formatted, flawlessly numbered, and completely ready for print. Your buyers will absolutely love this clean, professional layout. Your word searches are meticulously generated with crystal-clear text. And with our dynamic editor sidebar, you can instantly tweak font sizes, make titles bold, and perfectly position your word lists. Check out this beautifully complex, completely unique, insane level maze. Logikland generates these complex labyrinths from scratch, ensuring no two puzzle books you create are ever exactly the same. Your crosswords look like they belong in a major newspaper. The clues are neatly organized into across and down columns, maximizing page space while maintaining an incredibly crisp KDP layout. And don't worry about doing any extra work. Logikland automatically generates a dedicated, beautifully organized solution section at the very end of your book. Everything is perfectly matched and numbered for you. Ready to publish? Exporting is an absolute breeze. With one click, you can download your complete interior as a high-quality PDF ready to upload directly to Amazon KDP, or as a fully editable PowerPoint file. Look at this. By downloading as a PowerPoint file, you have ultimate offline control over every single page, text box, and line. Stop wasting hours formatting by hand. Go to logikland.com right now to build your puzzle book empire today.